So our next guest, folks, is only 18 years old, but have always wanted to own her own business. Joining us via Zoom is none other than entrepreneur and founder of Shop Body G, and her name is Gabrielle Mears. Good morning, Gabrielle. How are you?
Hi, good morning.
All is well?
All is well.
Yeah, we kind of look like we match this morning, though. Body G. Tell me about the name, Body G. The G is for Gabrielle, I suspect.
Well, I kind of refer to it as my alter ego in a sense. So, when you kind of have two versions to yourself. So, pretty much, Body G is more the confident version of Gabrielle, the more outspoken version, the more goal oriented version, the more driven version. So, that's pretty much where I got the name from.
But that should be the person you are all the time, shouldn't you?
It should be, but Gabrielle is just a bit more reserved than Body G is.
All right. Well, I like both Gabrielle and Bally G, so
Thank you.
we'll leave it there. This is not the first business that we're going to talk about. This is not when I say the first business, you were doing something else before you decided to do this line, right?
Yes, so last year around May, when I was pretty much out of school, so I attended Immaculate first before I decided to take a gap year. So Immaculate is the high school that I went to, and with COVID and everything, we had to do online school. And around that time, I was just like, I would really like to start my business just to make some extra cash. So pretty much at that time, it was more me focusing on the money than the real passion that I had for business.
And that business was what? Jewelry first?
So I sold jewelry at the time.
Yeah. Boy, but that was a confident move in the middle of the pandemic. Well, it wasn't in the middle because you said about May, but at the start of the pandemic, you decided to start a business? That was confidence.
Yes, it was. Well, I do believe I can do anything I put my mind to. So
Yeah. So the jewelry just didn't go well, or you just, nah, this is not what I want
I was
to
just
do.
like, no, this is not what I want to do. I just realized that I wasn't as driven as I should be.
Yeah.
I wasn't as focused as I should be. And I just knew that it was because I wasn't passionate about it.
Okay, so we have some stuff here on the table before me. By the way, what is a lip scrub? I've heard of a lip gloss. I know I'm a man, so don't laugh after me. But what is a lip scrub? I've never heard of a
So
lip
pretty
scrub.
much the lip scrub is to moisturize and soften your lips. So, if you have chapped lips, if you suffer from any lip conditions that cause you to have dry lips, you can use the lip scrub to pretty much soften the lips.
So what, you just wear it, or you put it on before you go to bed? You put it on before you
So when
bed?
you're washing your face, you can just rub it on your lips and wash it off. Simple, very simple, and it just keeps it
And
soft.
what is in it? What is in it?
So sugar, coconut oil, and some other very important oils that will help to moisturize your lips.
Which sounds like it's a secret and you're not going to tell me.
Yeah, it is.
All right, tell me the line that you make. What do I have here? I suspect this is a lip scrub right here. Make a look and see. What is
Well,
it?
those are the body oils.
Body
I have a
oils.
body oil collection,
Yeah.
which is named after my sister. So I have 3 body oils in the body oil collection, as you can see right now. So one is called the Bronze Goddess, Silver Babe, and 24 Karat Gold.
Okay.
And all of them are for $6 USD.
Fantastic. The Val Maria lip,
$8 USD, sorry.
the Val Maria lip gloss collection named after your mom. Unfortunately, you lost your mom when you were very young, right?
Yes, I did. I lost my mom when I was 12.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So you've named a collection after your mom.
Yes.
Fantastic. What's that we're looking at there now?
So that's my lip gloss collection, which consists of 5 lip glosses, all for $6 USD. So the body oils are for $8 USD. The lip glosses are for $6 USD, and the lip scrubs are for $4 USD.
Okay, so the lip gloss, I guess you have, what do I say, different flavors? Is that how I say it?
They have different scents, yes, but I wouldn't necessarily call it flavors, and they're different tints of the lip glosses. So I have a light pink tint, which you can see right now, which is called Boss Up. I have a clear shimmery tint, which is called Moolah, I have a brown tint lip gloss, which is called Coco Bello. I have a nude tint lip gloss, which is called Billionaire. And the bright pink tint lip gloss that you see right now is called Body G.
Okay, fantastic. Are these the only products that you have right now, or do you have stuff that we're not
Those are
seeing?
the only products that I have right now, but I will be expanding very soon. I'm actually going to be launching a yoni scrub on my website, which is pretty much to lighten the yoni area of your body and to prevent ingrown hairs, and it can also be used to lighten other parts of your body as well. So
Okay.
I'm looking to launch that on my website around a week from now or 2 weeks.
Okay, you have
So
a,
you guys can look out for that.
and we shall, you have a brand ambassador thing going on?
So yes, I recently launched a brand ambassador program, and pretty much it's just to support all the females around the world which are just trying to hustle and just trying to make some extra money during this COVID time. So what the opportunity is that you can email me at shopbaddyg@gmail.com, or you can DM our Instagram page shopbaddyg and pretty much give us your name, your age, and the country that you live in, or the parish if you live in Jamaica. And the offer is that you will have a personalized code. So let's say your name is Gabrielle, like me, code would probably be like Gabrielle SBG for Shop Body G. And every time someone makes a sale using their personalized code, they'll get 5% of the total amount that's spent on the website.
Oh, fantastic. Where can we get the stuff right now?
Pardon me?
Where can we get the stuff right now? Do you have a physical space or no? Just online?
No, I don't have a physical space right now. Everything is online based. So I do deliveries island wide in Jamaica, and I also do international shipping to Canada and the USA currently.
Buddy G, you're going on with things, man. I like it.
Um,
I like it. Where do you see yourself, say, 5 years' time?
5 years time, I'll be a millionaire. 5 years time. 5 years time, my business will be flourishing. I will have expanded tremendously, and there's just so much I see myself doing in 5 years time.
You
So you
did-
guys need to watch out.
You didn't know that I'm your uncle?
Oh, you are. Well, we're twinning today, actually.
All right, so 5 years' time, remember Uncle Neville, okay?
I will.
Listen, man, you are such a confident person. I'm surprised that you said Gabrielle is not too confident, because you are a confident person. Just to even think about what you're doing would
Thank you.
require confidence, and to get it going, I pray that it works for you. And in 5 years' time, I really and truly pray that you will be what you want to be. All right?
Thank you so much.
Look after yourself. God bless you.
Same to you.
Yeah, man. Gabrielle Mears, founder and entrepreneur of Bally G. All right. Do women love drama more than men? Yes. That's a discussion in our He Said, She Said after this quick break. We'll soon come.